This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two things. You have the same Microsoft or GitHub account on every machine, and Vscode is updated. Open Vscode, click the gear, and enable Settings Sync Now. Choose your account when prompted. Make clear choices about what to sync: settings, extensions, key bindings, snippets. This first action links devices. Once done, Vscode uploads a compact profile so changes propagate. Make sure to sign in immediately on the other device to receive the initial sync. Once signed in, open the Settings Sync Preferences to configure details. Choose your sync host. Use the built-in cloud or a private GitHub gist if you prefer control. Then set conflict resolution. Opt for remote, local, or prompt so you can merge deliberately. For extensions, decide whether to auto-install on new devices or review each extension. Auto-install saves time, while review prevents unwanted tools. Save these choices and wait. Vscode will reconcile and download the select. To finish, verify the settings sync icon shows on and check the last sync timestamp. This confirms propagation. If an extension is missing, open the extension's view, search, and reinstall. Sometimes recommendations need a manual trigger. If sync stalls, re-authenticate the account and retry. If problems persist, reset your sync data from the Settings Sync menu and start fresh. This clears corrupted state. One troubleshooting tip: when conflicts repeat, temporarily disable auto-install, export settings locally, and re-import to avoid loops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.